Hi guys, it's Oliver from Savills. Today we're in Beach Vista on Emaar Beachfront, showcasing a turnkey, fully upgraded, state-of-the-art 2-bedroom apartment. As you can see, we have customised all the furniture and completely renovated the whole apartment throughout, offering the likes of an 8K Samsung television, Sonos sound systems and Hermes furniture. We wanted to totally modernise the look whilst keeping it contemporary and create a more light and spacious feel within the apartment. Here we are in our 2nd bedroom, which has been converted into a hybrid office bedroom. But don't worry, this sofa within 2 minutes can be transformed into a queen-size bed. This gives it an extra additional living space. Here we have our fully renovated guest bathroom, offering Elisab rose gold design and tiles. So as you can see guys, this unit has spared no cost or cut any corners on this magnificent renovation. And in my opinion, this is one of the best 2 bedrooms available on the market right now. It is listed exclusively with us at Savills for 4.5 million dirhams, available from today. Contact me to book a viewing.